If you want to insert SIM card into Google Pixel 10, you need to prepare the eject tool in order to put it into the SIM tray hole that we have over here at the top of the phone. So let's use the eject tool and put it into this hole. There we go. And then once it is in, you want to push with a little bit of force so that the SIM tray comes out. Just slightly, of course. Now you can try to use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove it. You can also try to grab, for example, from this left side over here with your finger or fingernail. It might be just easier. And then once we have our SIM tray removed, we can insert our SIM card into this SIM tray, into the SIM card slot. And we just need to match the shape. It is pretty simple. Like this, you want to be careful in order to not drop the SIM card in the process, because the slot is quite loose. And of course, now we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone and push it with your finger. Make sure that it goes fully in and it doesn't stick out. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.